Hello everyone and welcome back to Blended Librarian at Goa. I am Prayangi Matonkar and in today's detailed session we will explore a powerful research discovery tool, Semantic Scholar. If you have ever spent hours searching for a right paper or trying to understand how studies connect, this video is for you. By the end of this session, you will know how to search smartly, understand research impact, explore citations, and organize papers, all using this free AI powered tool, Semantic Scholar. Let us first understand what is Semantic Scholar. Semantic Scholar is an AI based academic search engine developed by the Allen Institute for AI in the United States. Unlike Google Scholar, which lists everything it can find on the web, Semantic Scholar uses machine learning and natural language processing to interpret research papers. It does not just look at keywords, it actually understands the meaning of the paper, identifies key citations, and finds semantically related works. So, instead of being overloaded with irrelevant results, you get a curated list of quality academic papers. Here are few reasons researchers prefer Semantic Scholar. First, it is completely free and doesn't require institutional access. Secondly, it provides AI generated summaries, that is TLDR, for quick understanding. It identifies highly influential citations. It includes citation graph, author profile, and related papers. And it supports open access links whenever available. This combination of AI plus open science makes Semantic Scholar a very practical companion for students and teachers conducting literature reviews. Now we will see how this tool works. Open your browser and just type in semanticscholar.org. This page will open with a simple layout with one search box at the center. You can search right away without logging in, but if you create a free account, you can save your papers, create alerts, and access your reading list later. So, we will first create an account. Click on Create Free Account. You will get three options to join Semantic Scholar. Before you select one option, you have to click here to accept the terms of service and privacy policy. We will select Sign up with email. Here you have to provide your email address, your first name, family name, password, and click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you will receive one email for the verification of the account. Once your account is verified, you can log in to Semantic Scholar with your email ID and password. After you verify your account and when you come to Semantic Scholar, you have to click on sign in and scroll down to add your email address and password here and click on sign in. When you log in, you will see your name and a simple search bar where all the magic begins. Let us search for a topic, gamification in library. Semantic Scholar instantly displays a list of research papers. Notice the clean layout. Here you can see the title of the paper, author, source, year of publications, and this is TLDR, that is AI generated summary of abstract. If you click on expand, you'll be able to see the abstract of the paper. So abstract is a summary of the paper and TLDR is two-line AI generated summary of the abstract. At the top, you can see different filters like field of study. You can click on the drop-down menu and select the field, the subject you are interested in. Then you have date range. You can adjust the date. So accordingly, the result will be displayed. Then this is something called as has PDF. If you select this, it will list all the paper which has free PDF with it. Then author, if you are interested in any particular author, you can select this filter, then journal and conference. If you're interested in any journal or conference, you can select on this. At the right hand side, you can see something called as sort by relevance. Each paper in the Semantic Scholar is ranked by relevance and influence rather than just by keyword. One of the strongest features of this platform. You can click on this and sort it by citation count. See, highest citations. If you take your cursor on the number of citation, you'll be able to see the citation graph. Then you can also sort it by most influential paper or recency. If you select recency, paper which is published recently will come on top, and then the older versions, older papers. See, 24. Now let us click on one paper and open the detail view. When you open the paper here, what you can see is DOI, then this is the title of the paper, then authors, again TLDR. You can expand and read the abstract. Then down here, figures and tables of the paper, then references. You can go through these references, and if you're interested, you can again open this reference and check the paper. Then there is something called as related papers. This will give you all other papers related to your topic. You can go through this. You can also see a button to open the PDF or the open access link. You can click on that to get the PDF of your paper. See, your PDF got downloaded. You can read this PDF. Now let us explore the author profiles. When you click on any author name, this author profile will open, where the details of the author will come: author name, then number of publication, H index, citation, highly influential citation. Then if you're interested in this author, you can click on the follow author, and here you can set this alerts, like you want alert on new papers by this author, or you want alert on new citation. So whichever you want, you can just click this, and you can go to manage alert. Here you can manage the frequency of the alert, like once a day or once a week. Anytime you can come to this setting and also remove the alerts. On the author profile, you can also see the publications of that author, then citing authors, reference authors, and co-authors of this author. These are the co-authors. On this page also there are different filters. You can filter the publication using all these filters. Next we will see saving and managing the papers. Now while reading or going through all this list, if you're interested in this paper, you can click on save. Here you can either create new folder or you can add this paper to your existing folder. So I have already created one folder, introduction, in my library where I want this paper to be saved. So click on the introduction and click on save and close. See, when you save the paper, it will say in library. So wherever you see in library, that means that paper is already saved in your library. So now we will go to main page. Here again, I will go to different papers. Now I am interested in this paper, so I will click on save. Again, click on introduction, save. Like this, you can keep on saving whichever paper you want, and you can read it later. So this paper is already in the library. We will go to next page. Now you have saved these papers to your library. Now let us go to library and see your papers. For that you have to click on your name. Here there are different options like research dashboard, research feed, library, settings and sign out. Research dashboard is like your profile. If your publications are discoverable on the Semantic Scholar, you can claim your publication and also you can claim your author profile. For example, I will open one author profile and show you, like this is one author, V. Wang. So suppose you are searching for your profile and my profile is not there on the Semantic Scholar. So I have opened one author's profile to just demonstrate to you how it works. Like if suppose this is your profile and you found your profile on the Semantic Scholar. So you can click on this claim author profile. So once you claim your profile, you can add your affiliation, update your name and manage your papers and more. Semantic Scholar have already listed the publications available, that is 4. Then based on that, Dach index is 2, citations are 10. If suppose you have more than 4 publications, once you claim your author page, you can update the profile and accordingly all the statistics will change. Other options what we have is research feeds. Research feed is a state of art of AI powered recommendation based on the paper you have saved to your library. So now we have very few papers in the library. That's why it is not giving any recommendation. So as and when you keep on adding papers of your interest to your library, it will recommend other papers related to your field. Right now we are not able to see any recommendations. So we will go to library to check the papers we have saved. So this is your library. You can see all the papers you have saved to the library and here folders are there. So you had created one folder introduction and you had saved all the papers which you want to use for your introduction part of the paper. You can also create other folders by clicking here. So we will click on the introduction and these are all the papers in my introduction folder. And now I have read all this paper and I have used it for my introduction. Now I want to add this references at the end of my paper. So what you can do, either you can click on the boxes to select whichever paper you want to add to your references, or if you want all, then you can select all. So 9 papers are selected. Here you can see the export button. Click on the export button. This gives you option to copy the references to the clipboard by BibTeX, MLA, APA or Chicago format, or you can download in this format. So like this, you can easily export the references to your paper. This is one feature. Other feature is you can share your folder with your co-author or with your friend. If you want to share these papers with your colleague or with your co-authors, you can click on this share. This link is copied and you can share it with your co-author. Next feature is creating alerts. You can create alerts for a specific topic or authors by clicking on the bell icon under the paper. So Semantic Scholar notifies you whenever a new paper is published in the area of interest. You will receive alert in your registered email ID. Alert preferences can be changed by going to the settings. See here, alert preferences. You can change the frequency and also you can remove the alerts. A new addition to Semantic Scholar is Semantic Reader. It is an interactive reading interface that allows you to highlight important sections automatically, views inline summaries, click citations to preview related papers. It's like a reading with an intelligent assistant besides you, summarizing and connecting ideas in real time. To see this, we will go to the search again. For this, we have to first select the filter has PDF. So then scroll down to see the symbol of semantic reader here. So semantic reader, it is AI powered PDF reader. You have to click on this symbol to open the semantic reader. So this is the layout of the semantic reader. Here you can click on this navigate paper and you can see the paper in thumbnail or in the table of content form. So whichever section you want, you can click and go to that section directly. Here in the paper, you can see the important part has been highlighted, like this is method used and result. So you can go through the paper for the important highlights. You can also click on the citation. When you click on the citation, the paper will open. You can click on this link to open the paper and to read it. You can save this paper to your library if at all you're interested in this paper, or if you want to create alert, you can create alert here. You can cite this paper. Like this, you can open other citations and use it for your paper. This paper can be downloaded from here. You can share this paper with your co-author. You can save this to the library. You can create a lot on this. You can cite it. You can give feedback. This is all about the semantic reader. So that brings us to the end of this detailed session on Semantic Scholar. We explored how this AI-powered platform helps you search smarter, discover influential research, and stay updated in your field. With features like AI-generated summaries, citation graph, author profile, and semantic reader, Semantic Scholar truly makes the process of literature review faster and more meaningful. I encourage you to explore it for your next research project, paper, or classroom discussion and experience how artificial intelligence can simplify academic discovery. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Blended Librarian at Goa for more videos on digital tools, databases, and research support. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video. Dev bare karu.